Hello students. Now in the accountancy, now today let's start chapter number 7, that is chapter number 8, because this is the old textbook, that is journal proper. Now what is the meaning of journal proper? Journal proper is another type of subsidiary book, but this is such a kind of subsidiary book in which we record the transaction which are not recorded in any other subsidiary book. So that is called as journal proper. Now there is no such a detailed meaning of journal proper. Journal proper means सिर्फ यही कि जो हम अदर सब्सिडरी में जो हम रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते ट्रांजेक्शन, वही ट्रांजेक्शन हम जर्नल प्रॉपर में रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. Now specimen of journal proper, that is same as that journal. Date, particular, self, debit and credit. Now which transactions that we record in journal proper, so that is given in this chart. In that we record all the opening entries, transactions not included in other subsidiary books, transaction of inter-account transfer, closing entries, adjustment entries and rectification entry. Now, this chapter is same as that journal chapter. So let's start with the sum. In that this is the fourth sum. This is the opening entries. जैसे हम journal में हम लिखते थे that furniture account debit, then debtors account debit, then cash account debit to 12% loan to capital, वैसा ही है. So this one is in homework. Sum number 5. Sum number 5. Let's see the sum number 5. That Sri Gujarat Stores does not maintain separate subsidiary books for transactions of bills receivable, bills payable, purchase returns and sales return. Record the following transactions in the journal proper. Now there are 5 transactions are given. Now let's solve this one by one. ये लिखना भी सेम जर्नल की तरह ही है. जर्नल में जैसे हम लिखते थे वैसा ही सेम, नरेशन प्लस अमाउंट, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट इफेक्ट, एंड देन आफ्टर ईच एंड एवरी ट्रांजेक्शन मेक अंडरलाइन, सेम, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस. जर्नल ही आप यही समझ लीजिए. फर्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन, ड्रो अ बिल ऑफ ₹8,000 ऑन रॉमनिक विच ही एक्सेप्टेड इन रिटर्न. मीन्स ये ऑलरेडी हमने ये जर्नल में ये सब ट्रांजेक्शन देख ही लिए है, बस उसका आप समझ ही लीजिए, रिविजन ही है. तो एंट्री फॉर दिस इज बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रमनिक अकाउंट क्रेडिट. मैं जैसे बोलूँ वैसा ही आप अपने नोटबुक में लिख लीजिएगा. bills receivable account debit to Ramnik account credit. Then the next transaction is accepted a bill of ₹3,000 drawn by Vijay and returned to him. For this, entry is Vijay account debit to bills payable account credit, right? This is also same. This also we have seen in the journal chapter number 4. Bills receivable of Ramnik endorsed to Ramesh. For this entry is Ramesh account debit to bills receivable account credit. Ramesh account debit to bills receivable account credit. आप इस तरह से लिख दीजिएगा. Narration, you know that how to write down narration. If you do not understand anything कि narration में क्या लिखना है, so write down whole transaction. The next one is goods of ₹3,000 returned by Paresh to us. So for that entry is sales return account debit to Paresh account credit. Then next is goods of ₹1,500 returned to Mahendra. तो उसके लिए एंट्री महिंद्रा अकाउंट डेबिट टू परचेज रिटर्न अकाउंट क्रेडिट. नाउ ये चैप्टर ऐसा है कि जिसमें डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज हमने सारा कुछ हमने जर्नल में देख ही लिया है. बस उसका आप ये मिनी वर्जन समझ लीजिए, रिवीजन समझ लीजिए, बस वही है. तो मैंने जैसा एंट्री बताई आप वैसा अपने नोटबुक में लिख दीजिए along with the narration, right? So this sum number 4 and sum number 5, that is in homework. Sum number 6, in that all the transactions we have solved in the journal, right? जब भी हमने journal पढ़ा था उसमें हमने सारे transactions this और ये ही सारे हमने देख ही लिए हैं. So we know how to pass journal of all these transactions. So sum number 6, that is also in homework. Then sum number 7, that I have also seen that all the transactions we have already seen in the journal chapter. So sum number 7, that is also in homework. So today's homework is 4, 5, 6 and 7 because all are repeated transactions. So do yourself, practice yourself. आप जितना खुद से आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे सम्स के, आपको उतना ही समझ में आता जाएगा, right? Okay, so that's all for today.